Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform a firmware update on Insta360 Ace Pro 2. To do it, go to Settings, then in Settings, go to scroll down to Device Settings and find Device Firmware Info. Click on that, then you can click on Firmware version and it will give you an update if it's available. And if it is available, you can just click on Start to download, and this will take a while to install the new firmware on your device. So I'm gonna go back to you when it's ready. And now it's done, you need to just tap to connect to the camera and it will reconnect with the camera and then you'll be good to go. Done. That's all for today, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.